The 2017 Jefferson nickel is part of a long legacy of American 5-cent coins. Designed originally by Felix Schlag in 1938, this coin has seen many updates, especially the dramatic redesign of 2006, introducing a forward-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson. But what makes the 2017 edition special? Right arrow, no mint mark. Right arrow, found in decondition. Right arrow and often overlooked by the public, but not by collectors. Let's explore how it came into being and what secrets it hides. How to identify the coin. The 2017 nickel without mint mark can be identified by the following features. Obverse front, a sharp, detailed bust of Thomas Jefferson, facing forward. Inscriptions, "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and 2017. Reverse back, Monticello, Jefferson's historic home, with the inscriptions, "E Pluribus Unum," United States of America, and 5 cents. No mint mark below 2017 on the obverse usually indicates Philadelphia Mint. But here's the twist. Even though coins from Philadelphia started getting a P mint mark starting in 2017, some pieces were struck without any mint mark. These are incredibly interesting to collectors. Grading the coin. What is decondition? Now let's talk about coin grading, especially what decondition means. Many collectors use terms like MS mint state, AU, almost uncirculated, VF very fine. But for simplicity, we refer to decondition as a coin that's damaged or defective, includes dents, scratches, or even weak strikes, still identifiable but far from perfect. Light bulb still. Rare errors in decondition can sometimes fetch more money than mint state coins, especially if the error is unique. Rare errors to look for. Let's get into what can make your 2017 no mint mark nickel extremely valuable. Top rare errors to watch. Die clash errors, where parts of the design appear in the wrong place. Off-center strikes, when the image is not centered, usually due to striking misalignment. Double die obverse DDO. You may see Jefferson's face or the words appearing doubled. Cuds or cracks, raised lumps or lines from a damaged die. Planchet errors, incomplete planchets or wrong metal composition. Brain, if you have a 2017 5-cent coin with no mint mark and a major error, even in decondition, you could be looking at hundreds of dollars or more. Market value in today's dollars. Let's talk money. Dollar banknote standard 2017 no mint mark nickel, decondition. Typically valued between 10 cents to 35 cents. In bulk, they may be worth more to collectors assembling low-end sets. Dollar banknote 2017 nickel with minor error in decondition. Value jumps to $1 to $10. Dollar banknote major error coin, off-center, die clash, double die. Between $25 to $250, depending on visibility and rarity. Dollar banknote extremely rare double struck or mint-made errors. Sometimes auctioned for $500 or more. Yes, even in lower condition. Always remember, error plus rarity plus demand equals value. And yes, even a deconditioned coin can shock the market if it's rare enough. Auction records and private sales. Let's now examine some real-world sales and auctions for 2017 nickels without mint marks. eBay listings deconditioned minor, sold for $5 to $12 each. Coin shows and private dealers. Collectors offering $20 plus for dramatic off-center errors. Auction houses. In 2023, a double-die 2017 nickel without mint mark and worn condition sold for $145. In 2024, a collector paid $500 for a rare clash die nickel missing mint mark. Even in circulated, beat-up, or D-grade form, value depends heavily on the error and uniqueness. Why collectors love this coin. So why does this 2017 nickel continue to generate buzz? White heavy checkmark first year, the Philadelphia Mint added the P mark, but some coins were still struck without it. White heavy checkmark symbolizes a modern era discovery. White heavy checkmark collectors love assembling year sets and era collections. There's a mystery about these no mint mark coins. How many exist? Were they intentional? That curiosity drives demand and excitement. How to sell or get your coin appraised. So you found a 2017 5-cent coin without mint mark and decondition. Now what? Best ways to sell. eBay or Etsy, good for public listings. Facebook coin groups, for targeted collectors. Coin shows and local dealers. Get real appraisals. Get your coin graded by. PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service. NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Corporation. For error coins, grading helps authenticate and multiply value. Final verdict should you keep it. If your coin is white heavy checkmark, a standard no mint mark 2017 nickel in poor condition, still worth holding if it's sentimental or part of the set. White heavy checkmark has a visible mint error. Absolutely keep it, get it graded, and consider selling or showcasing. White heavy checkmark has a unique strike, misalignment, or doubling. You might be sitting on a treasure in disguise. Conclusion and subscribe. The 2017 USA 5-cent coin, without a mint mark and decondition, may not look like much, but with rare errors and collector demand, it holds hidden power. Do you own one of these fascinating coins? Let us know in the comments. Envelope with arrow. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic coin videos like this. We drop real market insights, rare coin discoveries, and collector secrets every week. Tap the bell icon, smash that like button, and share this with your fellow collectors. You might be wondering, how is a 2017 nickel without a mint mark possible? Here's the answer. Magnifying glass still to left before 2017, Philadelphia coins never had a P mint mark on the nickel. But in 2017, to celebrate the 225th anniversary of the U.S. Mint, a P mint mark was added for the first time. But here's the twist. Right arrow, a small number of nickels from 2017 were still struck without any mint mark due to either transitional errors, minting process overlap, or even intentional test strikes. This makes no mint mark 2017 nickels incredibly desirable to error collectors. To understand its real value, let's compare the 2017 no mint mark nickel to other key nickels. 1939 doubled Monticello nickel. Value in circulated condition, $50 to $300. 2005 speared bison nickel. Known error. Sometimes sold for $100 to $250. 2004 piece metal nickel with die clash. Error specimen sold for over $100. Now, your 2017 no mint mark coin might not reach those heights without a visible error, but if you find one with die crack, misalignment, or doubling, its value skyrockets. Light bulb scammers sometimes polish off mint marks to fake a no mint mark coin. So here's how to verify an authentic coin. Heavy check mark, use a 10x magnifier. Check if mint mark area shows file marks or tool scratches. Heavy check mark, look for die flow lines. Real no mint mark coins will have consistent aging. Heavy check mark, use coin grading services for guaranteed authentication. Brain important tip. If a coin looks suspiciously altered, don't clean it or tamper. Get expert advice. Yes, you can still find 2017 nickels with no mint mark in everyday circulation. Package here are some expert tips to increase your chances. Search bankrolls. Order $100 boxes of nickels from banks. Check coin jars and old change drawers. Use vending machines. Sometimes older or odd coins come as change. Join coin roll hunting communities for exchange tips. Light bulb you never know. Your next grocery store change could hold a valuable error coin. If you're a serious collector, consider building a modern nickel set. Blue Book Build a Book including all nickels from 1938 to date. Errors and variations like the 2017 no mint mark. Include coins in various conditions, MS, AU, and even D. Focus on collecting rare modern errors, as these are getting harder to find over time. Brain fun fact. Nickel values have remained stable, making them a great beginner investment. Chart increasing, what could this coin be worth 10 or 20 years from now? If you have a standard no mint mark coin, potential value in future, $1 to $5. If you have a rare mint error, especially documented, future value, $100 to $1,000 plus. Speech balloon collectors always chase coins with low-known populations or historical oddities. The 2017 no-mint marked nickel fits both categories. John from Ohio found a 2017 nickel with a double die obverse and sold it for $270 on eBay. Maria in Florida kept 10 no-mint marked 2017 nickels in poor condition. A dealer paid her $30 just to complete a collector's set. These stories show that every coin in your pocket could carry a surprise. Let's wrap up what we've learned. White heavy checkmark 2017 nickels without mint marks are unusual due to transitional minting. White heavy checkmark coins in D condition may still hold value if they show errors. White heavy checkmark check for clash marks, doubling, off-center strikes, or weak details. White heavy checkmark prices can range from a few cents to hundreds of dollars. Fire want to increase your coin's value? Never clean your coin. Store in acid-free 2x2 holders or flips. Get errors verified by professionals. Document where and how you found it. This helps prove authenticity. Light bulb collectors love a story. A small nickel with a mysterious background can become a top dollar conversation piece. This was the incredible story of the 2017 USA 5-cent coin without mint mark and decondition. A small coin with a big secret. If you learned something new today, or you're ready to search your own change, Computer Mouse liked this video. Bell subscribe for weekly coin deep dives. Speech Balloon leave a comment below. Have you found a no mint mark 2017 nickel? Share this video with your collector friends and join our growing community of numismatic explorers.